Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and I have kind of a subscription here. So I had bought this to go with my planner subscriptions that I was doing in November. However, it appears that the shop, which is Harriet Wright Designs, it's no longer on her website. So I don't know if she's discontinued these, but I'm still going to open it with you guys. I'm just not going to do the detail analysis as far as price goes and everything. Obviously, it got fairly wet in my mailbox. I can't remember if that was before it got to me or not, because it has been sitting here for a while. But let's go ahead and open this one up and see what's inside. I did used to get the subscription, so I will link one of those videos up above. But, ooh, it has, oh wow. It has definitely been a while. Let's see if the plastic says it's the October subscription. I bought this as a one-time deal. Wow, that is so damaged. Okay, so let's see how everything inside fared. I will say her sticker quality is amazing. Her planner, or at least her planner inserts now, are what I am using because the quality is just, okay, come on. There we go. Just awesome. It feels like she has, I don't know if she's changed the sticker paper or not. It has been a while since I've ordered from her because I ordered a whole bunch of kits from her at one time. So the first thing we have here is a sheet of icons. It says bow icon sampler. So we have fuzzy bunny slippers. We have a plant. We have a mixing bowl with, a whisk. That's what it's called. We have a stack of books. We have the pot here for cooking. We have a TV on a TV stand, some lotion or maybe face wash, a cutting board and knife. I'm not entirely sure what this is. Can someone tell me what that is? It looks like a little cat or a mouse or something. Probably a cat, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what that is. We have a little bedroom scene. We have a cup here. We have some pillows. I think they're pillows and not cookies, but they could be cookies. We have a face mask, a shopping cart, a cute little tub with some either hearts or bubbles, and a nail polish there. Then we have some matching florals to the kit. This is in the kit must be called Frost. Nice florals. And here's the kit. Now, her artwork that she chooses is absolutely stunning. The problem I've had with her kits in the past is just the format. Like, it feels like it should function really well, and then for some reason I have issues and I haven't quite put my finger on it. But the artwork is absolutely stunning. She is a UK-based shop, so it does take a while to get your orders. So we have this kind of outfit design here. We have these beautiful blue florals. We have kind of I want to say schoolgirl, but it feels more college, right? Very pretty, maybe a little bit French. Maybe it's the Brett. I don't know. Brett? Anyhow. Over here we have book, noun, a magical doorway to a world of adventure. I love the definition. That's kind of amazing. I love this with the stack of books here and the frames on the wall. And this just looks very majestic and pretty. And this looks like just a European street to me, which I really like the aesthetic of. Then we have a couple of swatches here at the bottom. Then we have a page of squares here at the top. Love them. Really love this one, especially. Then we have some circles through here. Some midi boxes. These are fourth boxes, third boxes, and then half boxes. Then we have icons through here. This is definitely different than the format of the kits that I have from her. I like the icons. I think they're nice. We have a bunch of headers. We have a Monday through Sunday box. I like the format of this. We have a just checklist box, and we have checklist here. We have like some washi tapes here, habit trackers, and then some really fun shapes. So we have like just kind of swatches here. We have a stamp shape that's really small. I kind of like it. Through here, we have a circle, and one of my absolute favorite things from her are these little arrows. So I'm happy to see they're still in the kit. And then we have our Monday through Sunday, a couple of swatches. These half circles are not as tall as a lot of the other shops, and I actually like these ones better. Then we have some thin headers through here, some scalloped headers, and the 2 sets of washi. And the whole kit is foiled in gold. She's one of the best shops as far as quality goes with her foiling and print quality and stuff. The only thing I've ever had issues with is because she does use a thicker paper. Occasionally I've had stickers that aren't cut all the way through, but I think that I feel like this paper is just a hair thinner than the paper she used to use. It could be my imagination though. It is still a thicker paper than most companies. So super beautiful kit. I would check out her webpage. She might bring back the subscription at some point. I don't know, but I think she does an amazing job with her artwork and the way she puts our kits together and everything. So anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.